Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how Trackio integrates directly with the Hugging Face hub, letting you visualize the metrics from your training run directly on the model page. So in order to do this, we're going to train a model, which we're going to fine-tune a model rather, with transformers and trainers. So if you've done this before, this will look very familiar. We're loading a sentiment classification model, fine-tuning it on some mock data, but this applies to any sort of modality, any type of model that you train or fine-tune, it's going to look very similar. The only parts that are different here is that we have this report to Trackio line. And what this will do is automatically during training, it'll just log the metrics to a local Trackio project with this name here based on this environment variable that we set up here. And then finally, we train the model and we push it to the hub. And that's it. So let's actually run this to see what happens. All right. So I'm going to run this script here. And what this will do, so this is running as a UV script. So what this does is it automatically installs the dependencies that are defined at the top of the file. And the main thing I want to point out here is that you need Transformers 5.0 or higher. And that's currently available as a release candidate, as a pre-release. So that's how we install it here. Other than that, this should look very familiar. So you'll notice here that there's going to be a Trackio project that's created. It's going to be saved. Initially, it's saved locally. But when we push the model to the hub, at the same time, the Trackio data, the data sets, the logs, get pushed to a space under your namespace. So it gets pushed to a space as well as a data set storing that. So let's take a look at what that looks like here. So you'll see here the model got trained, the run got finished, and now the model is available here. So let's open up the model page. All right, so this is the model that I just trained here. And now you'll notice it has this Visualize in Trackio badge, but more than that, it has this Training Metrics tab. And if I click on the Training Metrics, I'll actually see the Trackio dashboard that's associated with this run here. And I can pull it up, I can see what's the relevant run here. And so you'll notice these are all of the metrics from my run. If there are system metrics that are logged, those will be available as well. Media tables, runs, that I can, if I'm logged in, I can modify this, I can delete this, any files that are installed as well. So this is directly available from the Training Metrics tab from that model card. That's it.